They told me not to speak on this one, but I kinda have to, because it's kind of a pressing issue. As I speak on these issues, I suggest you grab a tissue, because I'm about to explain why your friends never missed you. Why you're creating prophecies knocked upon your knees. Sign your signature and cross the T's and do as they please. Because they just view you as a cancer, and while you're searching for an answer, they throw you barefoot upon burning coals and expect you to be a dancer. Yet there's only one set of footprints embedded in the sand, because no one was there to take your hand, and I bet that's what you planned. Then you come to a realization that imitation leads to segregation. With meditation, your understanding comes to new elevations. But after a few weeks, you turn the other cheek, close your eyes and seek the same heinous freaks that only desire to make your future bleak. Is that all you want in life? A little popularity? While people look at you in hilarity and turn you into a parody? Look into the mirror, you don't recognize your own face. You think you've lost the race and you're better off in another place. So you listen to everyone else and put your own trophies on the shelf. The last words of your notes say, fuck it, I'll just kill myself. Rush to the ICU, fighting the police, unscrewing the IVs, telling the doctors I don't need these. Now the cops have to strap you down, your family stands around, yet you still think the only home you have is 6 feet in the ground. Then it's off to the mental prison, home of psychosurgical incisions. What the fuck are you blaming them for? The mirror's there, it's your decision. So then you get dumped, who cares? They're retarded, you parted, you feel discarded. That's how easy it is to be disheartened. Start drinking, stop thinking, stop blinking. Your mind stops blinking, the premonitions and self-respect that stop the ship from sinking. So you pop them pills to get your fill, fire at will, shoot to kill. Sit still and wait until the effects are still and leave you ill. And then you're dying again with no friends, only family will attend your funerals. You descend into hell and prepare for the end. But you narrowly avoid a coma as they remove the tube from your stoma. You just want to die, but your family just wants a diploma. So you get high and persist to lie, fail to try as everyone cries. You fly in the sky while everyone just hopes you don't die. It's overdose after overdose as you continue to come close, but with each time you feel more grandiose, grab another you suppose. Back to carpet surfing, just another day working for a substance that will kill you. Don't you feel your body hurting? All that money invested, all those chemicals ingested, you think they've invested? Guess what? You just got arrested. I understand you lost your mind, but it's something you can't find. So get back to the grind, because the stars won't align. And if you need a sign, just give it some time and let your heart unwind, and everything will be fine. So I suggest you get a clue, and if you think I don't relate, I do. Because the reason the story is so true is because it's my story too. Now you understand why they didn't want me to speak on this one. I need a cigarette right now.